Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your wealth strategy with Morgan Stanley detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your financial documents, including income statements, expenses, and investment portfolios. Identify your short-term and long-term financial goals. Consider factors such as retirement, education, and major purchases. Schedule a consultation with a Morgan Stanley financial advisor. Prepare a list of questions to discuss during your meeting. Discuss your financial goals and concerns openly with the advisor. Be honest about your risk tolerance and investment preferences. Review your existing investment portfolio with the advisor. Ask for an analysis of its performance and alignment with your goals. Evaluate recommended changes to your investments. Consider whether diversifying your portfolio could improve your strategy. Discuss different investment strategies that align with your goals. Consider options such as stocks, bonds, and alternative investments. Review any potential tax implications of your investments. Understand how capital gains and losses can affect your overall strategy. Work with your advisor to create a personalized wealth strategy. Ensure this plan reflects your financial situation and future aspirations. Set measurable milestones to track your progress. Regularly review your wealth strategy with your advisor at least annually. Make adjustments as necessary based on changes in your life or the market. Stay informed about market trends and economic factors. This knowledge can help you make better financial decisions. Maintain open communication with your advisor throughout the process. A strong partnership can significantly enhance your wealth strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.